And what if today you decided to take back your power? Because yes, everything starts with loving yourself, accepting yourself, and giving yourself the place you deserve. In this video, I will share with you a powerful exercise that can change your perspective on yourself starting today. This exercise was the foundation of my transformation and self-esteem. It's crazy how unaware I was of who I am, and it will be the same for you. Step 1. Unveil your inner mirror and become aware of yourself. Take a sheet of paper. On one side, write all your qualities, even the smallest ones. On the other side, your flaws, or rather, what you believe to be your flaws. Note each one on a scale of 1 to 10 according to its proportion in your view. Then ask a trusted, caring, and sincere person, not someone jealous, not someone who puts you down, to make the same list of flaws, qualities, and to rate each quality and each flaw on a scale from 1 to 10. Compare. You will discover that often you are much harder on yourself than the outside world, and that you have many qualities you didn't suspect. You may also discover flaws to work on and improve. It's magical. This simple step can break years of negative beliefs. Step 2, the power mirror. Every morning, look yourself in the eyes, really, and say out loud 3 things you like about yourself. Congratulate yourself on each one. It could be your courage, your resilience, or even your smile. This ritual is not trivial. It reprograms your subconscious. Day after day, ideally for 21 days, you build a new image of yourself, stronger, more aligned, more confident, and more loving. Step 3. The rebirth letter. Write a letter to yourself. Not a mundane letter, but a letter as if you were your own coach, your love, your best friend, your biggest supporter. Recall your victories, your strengths, your values. Read it whenever you doubt. It's your reminder that you are already enough and that you have the capacity to rebuild everything within you. Step 4. Choosing yourself every day. Learn to give yourself time to say yes to yourself, whether it's 10 minutes of breathing, a walk, a passion. When you choose yourself, you send a clear message to your mind. I matter, I deserve, I am important, and this energy transforms your life. You are not defined by your doubts or your wounds. You are defined by how you choose to rise again. Start these steps today and watch. You are not just changing your self-confidence. You are transforming your entire life. Well done.